Okay, today we're going to be drawing a pentagon in isometric, and before we get started, you'll just see that I've drawn a pentagon on the side over here, and I have a previous video that I made for this one here, and we used the length 40 millimeters to get this bottom length here, but we're going to need this view to do this view. So obviously, if you already know how to draw a pentagon, I would suggest just drawing this quickly so that we can do a pentagon in isometric. And then when you've done that, then obviously you can do the isometric with me. Okay, so you'll notice that I've got two lines over here with an S underneath. So the S is obviously going to be our starting point. And these lines here are at angles of 30 degrees. So that's what you're going to notice over there. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and you're going to draw a box around your pentagon. And the reason why you draw your box is because it is going to help you when you draw it in isometric. So you've got a box around your pentagon, you're going to split it down the middle over there, and we're going to work with that for now. So say we want the pentagon's bottom, this bit here, to start at this side. So that's how we're going to work it. Okay, so then that would make this the S point, because it will lie like that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab this measurement over here and you're going to take it to your S point. So this is obviously on your little block that you've now got. I don't know if you can see the block, but if you can't, then maybe let me just draw it darker quickly, because then everyone can see and we're not really messing you around here. But yeah, just make sure when you draw, you're not drawing really dark. I'm obviously just using a pen so that you guys can see it. Okay, so there we go. So now you're going to take the measurement for your box over here and over here, and you're going to go to your S point over there, and you're going to just make a little line. So the line ends over here for those who can't see it, and then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to take your pencil and you're going to just draw a line going across like that. Okay, now the next measurement we want to grab will be this one here going up, and it would be just a little bit shorter than your last one for this shape here. So you're going to take that measurement, you're going to put it on this side over here. I will put the dot here in case you can't see, and then we are going to draw this line over here. Okay, so now I want to grab the halfway line that we made, which will obviously be where the point of the pentagon is. So I'm actually just going to grab it from there. So you're going to take your compass, you're going to grab that point over there, and you're going to put it on either this line or this line. It doesn't really matter as long as it's in the middle. And then I just want to make it darker so you can see where the point is. So that's that point over there. And then once you've done that, you're going to take your ruler and you're going to draw a line over there. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to start basically getting the points for your pentagon. So we obviously know this top point here. Okay, actually I want to label this square so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. So we're going to make this S, we're going to make this A, B, and C. So if this is S, this will be C. If this is S, then this will obviously be A, and then this corner will be B. Okay, so do you see between B and A, there's a point, and that's going to be on our halfway line over here. Okay, so that's our first pentagon point. Now, to get the other points, we're obviously going to have to take our compass again. So you're going to take your compass, you're going to stick it on the A point, and you're going to measure to where the pentagon touches the line, and you're going to make a mark on the line over there. And then when you've done that, you're going to draw a line going across, or alternatively you can just plot where your points are going to be, and then you don't have to draw a line across, but it's up to you. And then what you're going to do for the bottom bit here is you're going to measure from C to this point, the hexagon, and when you've done that, you'll put it on that point over there, and I'm just going to use my pen to mark that spot so you can see it. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. It's obviously going to be the same measurements, so you're just going to put a point over there, and then you've basically got all your points, and all you're going to do is connect it. So we're going to connect the bottom first. You will then connect to this point over here, your top point from this point to here, and from this point to here. Okay, so it looks a bit funny because obviously these lines are definitely not the same length, but in isometric that is actually how it's supposed to look. So that is how you draw a pentagon in isometric. Okay, so I hope that helped you, and I'll see if I can make another video with like an octagon. I don't know if you guys are struggling with that one, but I thought this one would be one that you guys might be struggling with. So just, yeah, let me know if you can see all the lines, if I need to use different color pens and so on and so forth. Anyway, I hope this helped.